Hello friends, welcome to our SS Bhagyasri channel. Today we learn classroom object. Let's start.
GREEN green BOARD board green bird. CHALK chalk. CHARTS charts. TABLE table. CHAIR chair. DESK desk. COMPUTER compute. BOOKS books. NOTBOOK notebook. GLOBE globe. CLOCK clock. BAG bag. DUSBIN dustbin. PEN pen. RULER ruler. PENCIL pencil. PROJECTOR projector. DUSTER duster. Thanks.